How to identify oversold and overbought coins across different time frames. CoinLegs generously provides its users with a suite of free trader tools developed using algorithms and a neural network. With its high detection capacity and advanced analyses, CoinLegs becomes every trader's closest ally. Through the tabs on the landing page, you can track whale movements, explore the highest and lowest volume coins, browse through your favorites, analyze coins near all-time low and high levels, and identify coins in RSI Extreme zones. In contrast to other platforms, CoinLegs offers many features to traders completely free of charge. Let's take a look at our new RSI screen. The red area at the top indicates coins with an RSI value of 70 and above, while the green area at the bottom denotes coins with an RSI value of 30 and below. Its effortlessly digestible structure will breathe life into your analyses without straining your eyes. Coins are arranged from high to low volume from left to right. From the top right, you can individually review analyses done for 7 different time frames. Just above that, you can select which exchange and pair of coins you want to examine. Or perhaps you're looking for something more detailed? Switch to the list view at the bottom right and instantly access RSI values across all time frames for coins in one go. What more could a trader ask for? If a particular coin catches your eye, let's see what it has to offer. Clicking on a coin opens a page where you can access all the data related to that coin in one place. The CoinLegs algorithm tirelessly analyzes over 700 coins across 7 different time frames, identifying over 40 strategies like Elliott waves and failure swings. That's all there is to it. All the comprehensive tools you need for trading are available to you for free. No need to spend hours searching for coins and navigating through charts. With CoinLegs' advanced trading tools, let time be on your side. Stay tuned for updates. Learn and earn.